cook with me. So today on the menu today is chicken with spaghetti, and right now I'm just pouring the oil into the pan and lighting the fire. To be honest guys, I don't know how to do voiceovers, so please bear with me when I just say random things. So now I guess I'm just adjusting the camera and I'm about to light the fire. And as you can see, I'm pouring the chicken that I sliced into pieces into the pan, and then I'm just getting a fork so I can just stir it around. So now it's time to add the spice, but this is the spice I use from Top Class Spice Mix Chicken Flavor, since I'm cooking chicken. Yeah, so now I'm putting the spice, and guys, it looks like too much spice, but guys, it's not too much spice. Like, if you tasted it, it's actually not too salty and not too bland, so it's actually just right. Yeah, so now as you can see, I'm cutting the onion, and guys, as I was cutting this onion, like, I've never seen so much tears. I never had an onion make me cry like this. Like, it's the first time I saw so many tears coming out from my eyes. Yeah. So I'm just cutting the tips off, and then yeah, I'll start cutting the actual onion. So now I'm just gonna pour the onion into the pan with the chicken, and